Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roosamekto Mamek, aka Raja Mexico. Okay, without any further talk, let's do the walkthrough. And this is my right foot, yeah. Okay. One and two and three and four and. Okay, I'm going to repeat with a different count, yeah. This is for advanced dancer. Okay. Same step, different count. One, a two, a two, a three, a four, a. Okay, we repeat one more time, yeah. Just the step. Cross, side, diagonal touch, together, cross, side, diagonal touch, forward, together. Continue. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will repeat for section 4. Same step, different count. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, last step, the last fourth step, yeah, of section 4. 5, a 6, 7, a 8. Okay, that's all. Now I'm going to repeat facing camera from section 1, yeah? And this is my right foot, guys. Okay? Today is Sunday, guys, yeah? Have a nice Sunday, guys. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we repeat with different count, yeah? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 a 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, that's all. There is no tag and no restart. If you like it, don't forget please to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.